Today in front of me Nokia T20 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application and then here in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app and here click enable in settings. And here near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, click OK, again OK. Now just go back and here click to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to English United States keyboard, and as can you see that's finished. And now we can just go, for example, somewhere where we can type, so here for example into the Google, and as can you see our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all the emojis. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.